So today we will see that how we can configure the Vim backup and all the process for that. So before we begin to, first of all, I want to show you the web page. So this is the console where we can see the whole configuration. Let me start from the beginning. So this is the icon for Vim backup and replication console. Click. You don't have to use any username and password because it's already added. Okay, so by default, we will come on this page. So there is a home and inventory, backup infrastructure, storage infrastructure. Normally in Thailand, we use replication system, not a backup system. But we can use a backup system also for backup file and file system, and some VM backup can also do. So first of all, we need to know that we have to add the host name before we create a job. So we have to go to inventory first. In inventory, we have a vSphere and standalone. So in here, we just add one by one the EXX host, and we can also add the vCenter. So when we add a vCenter and suppose vCenter crash, then the backup also crash because vCenter not allow, there is no vCenter to access. To protect from that, we add the host manually one by one so that uh, even the vCenter is available or not available, we can still run the backup. So for adding a server, EXX server, we just right click and add new server. Use the IP address 1.2.2 for example, because it's already added here. Next, in here we have to give the username and password for the EXX server. By default, I added all the username password which I know and which I created before. So suppose this one we can use and then apply. So when I click on apply, it will check the credential and then add it here.
Why can you add the new one that show
Uh,
me
cannot
for
add
for for
now
you?
because we don't have any extra EXX server.
Oh, no, I mean for the user and password that on that
Oh,
page
okay.
only. Yeah. I need to know the.
What's this? So
Yes,
now I
yes.
need to
Correct.
add an account, right? So I go to the manage account, and in here I can add, and I
Oh,
can
just
add
only
like
add.
a root, and then I can use the password for root, and in description I can write root at mic style. So this
Mhm.
will tell you the password because I don't have to write the password here.
Okay.
So I just write the mic style so the person can know that if SC team is there, they know that
Mhm.
Thairat at something is the password. Okay. So this way
Okay.
we can add and then okay we can select and then click OK and it will come here.
Mhm.
You see root slash mic style last edited 731 days. Okay. So this way we can add a host first. So you can see the host is already added here. Once you add the host, it will automatically scan the whole VM and show you what's inside
Mhm.
that EXX server. So after adding here, we just come back to home. So one thing, host already added. Now the second part is the storage, where we will store the system, the VM backup. So one thing is we can add it here, but the point is this VM, like Vim backup. Suppose this Vim backup crash, then we have no option to restore back. So instead of adding here, we add the storage on the vCenter and in the EXX, all EXX server. So for that, we come to the vCenter. You see the vCenter is here, and then we click on the storage, and then we add the backup storage. For adding a backup storage, we can just add storage here, new data center, and use NFS. Click NFS 3 or 4. Click add the name, folder, IP address. It's okay.
Mhm.
Not 121. Okay.
Add, add,
And
add a storage for the backup the data, right?
yes, yes, correct, correct.
But for now, we back up VM at the same storage, right?
Yes, yes, yes. So the process is like this way. Now we just add the storage first, and then click next, and then okay. After done, we will see our new storage. It's like this way. So you see the IP address of the server and the folder where we keep the backup.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So in here we will use this one, this backup storage for our web backup. And this
Mm-hmm.
server is connected with all the recent EXX server. Okay, so you can see EXX server is here, data store. You can see this one is connected to this. So the
Mm-hmm.
point is we don't connect to vCenter only, we connect to all EXX server. In
Mm-hmm.
case vCenter crash, we still do the backup and we still do the restoration. So for safe side, we just do 2 times vCenter plus EXX server. You can see all the EXX server have the vCenter backup. VM backup is there.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So once this one is done, uh, back to our EXX VM backup, and then we come to home. In home, we can create a new job. As we don't have a backup job, so we create a replication job, create new VM. We can type a name like TR41 backup to Vim backup 2023, or we just keep it default. So here, add the VM. Yes. So all the EXX server which we already added, we can see all server, right? Mhm. So suppose I add this one and then click add. So backup is here. So we asking this console that this is the VM we need to backup. It will tell you the size of the VM and click next. From here you have to choose which server. So the point is I want to keep uh, the backup of AD2 near the AD2. So the EXX server should be same. For that, I need to know that what is the EXX server in here. So for that, I just go to vCenter again, and then we go to AD2. In AD2, we can see that tr41.exx server is the host. So for that, we just need to configure that this VM should connect it to 41. It will check and then okay. So you can see the storage is different. So backup, I need to keep on the VMware backup. So I click here and I can see the backup here. It's clear, Mike?
We have to select host with currently VM start on
Uh,
that, like.
no, actually you can select different also, but the point is when uh, I can explain you. Suppose 82 is here on
Uh,
41, right? And
yep.
you mount the backup to 42. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
so backup will
Mm-hmm.
be done on 42. So you don't know where
Mm-hmm.
is it. Like in here, you can see it's on 41, and this
Mm-hmm.
one is also on 41. So it's easy
Mm-hmm.
to see that okay, I have to see there. If you change the host name, then you can do it, no problem. But for solving the problem, like we need to restore or do something or restore with the new one, then we need to know the host name. Okay,
Uh,
that time you will
uh,
have a problem.
yeah. It like this, Mike. If we have a problem with uh, TR41, no, both
Hmm.
TR41 and AD02 is moved to TR442, 42.
Ah, hmm.
The problem, I don't know, no, the back app is still working, right?
Backup will is still work, but uh, backup will do the backup. But what happened when you change the running host to another host, right? Then you
Uh-huh.
change the VM from one host to another host. Then this one will be zero. The size of the VM will be zero.
Mm.
Understand, Mike?
Not understand, still not
Okay, okay,
understand.
okay,
Because
okay.
AD02 already moved to 42.
Yes. So first I create a VM, right? Already
Mm-hmm.
done. Backup is running, no problem. After that,
Yep.
we move the AD02 to TR44.
Uh-huh.
Okay, but we not
Uh-huh.
change in backup. What happened when we move the VM from 41 to 44? That means this VM is already gone to another host.
Uh-huh.
So that host have a separate backup job, not this job. So
Uh-huh.
this one will change the VM size will change to zero.
Uh-huh.
So there is no VM for backup. So it will
Mm-hmm.
like start the backup but not do any backup because VM not found.
Okay.
Okay.
It mean that if the we when we did when we move to another host, it means that we have
Yes.
to change
Edit the
configuration, right?
yes. Edit the regarding host and add the new one and remove from the old one
Mm.
in the Vim, in the Vim.
Okay, but we can if we add like a vCenter, it's no need for, right?
Yeah, but vCenter is a single point failure.
Yeah. I mean the if we like we shoot only vCenter,
Yes,
ก็
can.
can fix this issue บัตร
Yes, correct,
ก็
correct. Can.
Printer ก็ still the single point
Yes,
โอเค I got
yes,
your point
yeah. So that one will be like a hardware free, but problem is when the vCenter crash, then
mm-hmm.
you cannot restore also.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
The
So
manual is better.
yeah, and when we move the VM from one host to another host, we know already that we have to change the backup also, backup policy
Mm.
also. So
Oh.
okay, I will show you that one also, no problem. So this one, and then for the storage, we use the same host, and we change the storage to VM backup. Click next. Uh, what will happen when the backup is start? It will create a name like like the host name ad01.thyra.th underscore replica. So the new name will generate, and we will have a 7 restore point.
What is the list of file which is
Restore point
seven?
is this one. You can see AD replica. You can take snapshot. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
It means if we have a one schedule every day
So
it means that
suppose,
one copy,
yeah,
one.
suppose
one
I have a problem today. So my last backup have a problem. So I will click here and then restore to this one.
mhm.
I will show you that one, no problem. Just give me
Okay.
some. Okay, so it will give you the 7 copy of backup. Then next, in here, nothing to do. Just go with the network. In here, nothing to do. Next. Now you have to decide what's the process of running the job. So if you want to run every day or every day, then you have to click here. For daily, you can use the time and you can choose 1 day, 2 day, or every day. So suppose you see weekend, weekdays, then you can change the date. So weekdays is like Monday to Friday only, you know. But if you
Mm-hmm.
give a specific days, like I need to have a 1 day or 2 day, Sunday or Monday, so we can choose like this way also.
Mm-hmm.
So this one is the first job. Now, when you create a new job first time, you can use this way. But if you have a connected job, like you can see here, 41, 42, 43, 44. So in that case, you just go here and say that after 44, after 44 job complete, run this job. So it's like a continuous job. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
one job complete, then it will automatically start the new job, second job,
Mm-hmm.
and then third job, then fourth job. Okay, this way you can complete. Uh, any question on this one?
อืม no อ่ะ
No ใช่ไหม
คนคนอื่นเข้าใจไหมครับถามได้นะถ้าติด
เข้าใจไหม Okay, so let's close this one. Now let's see the job is already there and we need to edit some job like add or remove. So right click and then click on edit. So you can see the whole same thing like new job. So click next and you can see the whole host which already have a backup. You can see the size and the total backup size is 2.82 TB. So if you want to add a new VM, you can click here and then you can choose 41. And then if any VM is missing from this list, you can add here. Okay, so suppose this one is missing, we can add. So you can see it's already added. If you want to remove, you can just remove and it will be same. After that, next, you can see the backup storage is there, host is there. Okay, next, daily backup, replica, 7 backup, same. In here, we change nothing. And in job, because this one is 41 is the first job, so I make it to start every 11 p.m. That means in the night, every day it will start at 11. 11 is your 23. Okay.
mm-hmm.
So once this job is completed, then it will automatic jump to 42, 43, and then 44, and 44 complete, then it will come to B9. So B9 is this one. So B9 complete, it will jump to B9 EXX2. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
and then run the BSX2, and then this is the Vim backup. So server running the Vim backup is backup every day also, but in afternoon. You see, backup every day at 10 a.m. in the morning.
Uh-huh. Or we
So
backup is also backup because
yes,
we backup is a
we
VM one VM
yeah keep a backup for like something goes down, then we have a backup
start
plan for
another
this.
start backup
Hmm. And
start backup
suppose
to recover restore.
yes, correct. So
Uh,
suppose yeah,
so sorry, my
before
for the object number object is VM inside, right?
excuse me again.
Object you see object number
Uh,
16
Object means
16.
how many VM, right?
Yeah,
Okay,
not
so
sure. I mean 16 is a number of the VM, right?
yes, correct.
Total. Uh-huh.
Oh, this one, right? 16, yes.
Yeah. Oh,
16, 24, 25, 24, 1. 1 is because we have backup only 84. And 9 is 85. Only, né? So object is like a VM, the number of VM.
number of VM.
Hmm.
Backup. Uh, same same VM inside host, right?
Yes.
Uh,
So
if the TR yeah, you might you first you
yeah,
first
yeah. Tell me if TR 41
gone.
gone, then we have a backup also, na? But don't worry, we backup will remain on EXX server. We center, we can
Uh,
restore.
yeah, but if the TR 41 is gone and take time for get back, we have to maybe actually yeah the VM are moved to another host, right? VM
Uh,
automatic move to another
no,
host.
no, 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 no HA is there. No HA. We have to move manually. No HA
For
is configured for VMware.
uh-huh. Oh, not automatic.
No, you see, HA stays is none.
Oh,
Because if we create like this way, na, then you see so many VM will automatically redirect to some server, and all
yeah,
server
but not.
already running on high. So it will make the system crash.
Mm, not HA. If some host down, one host down,
Yes. Mhm.
we have to what we do if the
If
TR 41 is down.
suppose if one host down, then for emergency only, na, like we need to have an emergency that we need to run immediately. So we can just start this VM. Suppose AD02 is down because 41 crashed.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so we just start the VM here. this VM will work because the storage point is, if you see, the storage point is VM backup. But
Mhm.
due to the NFS, it will be little bit slow because hard disk is on network, 1 gig network, so it will be little bit slow, but it will work normal, no problem at all. For emergency only.
But not automatic, not automatic. Move to
No,
another host.
no, no, no.
Oh,
It will take some 1 or 2 minute time come back.
yeah, 1 or 2 minutes. Uh, but okay, the VM on the storage, you have to like add and run to another host,
Um,
like that, man.
for for temporary, like for emergency that we can run now, and later we will fix 41. Okay, so in that case
Uh-huh.
we can run immediately, no problem. But if we say that okay, this VM AD02 is crashed 100%, cannot bring back, then I will restore the backup.
To another
So what
host.
I will, yeah, on another host. So what I will do, I will make a clone the VM and put some name and then click next and then make it on 22
Mm.
and then change the storage to the physical SAN storage. Click next, customize next, and then I will do the job for customization and then click next and create the new VM. So that VM will take around 10 to 15 minutes depending on the size
10,
of the
10
VM.
to 15. It's one 10
One
to
VM, yes,
15.
yes.
Mm. One, one, 1 to 15 minutes. This means if the 41 gone, we have a 16 VM. We have to start manual 16 VM, right?
Yes, correct. Start and then
Uh,
if you don't want to use the 41 again, then I have to create like a clone to
clone.
42 and 44, 45, something like that.
Mm. But I'm not sure why we not config HA ทำไม
For HA, we have to reserve the resources around 50%. For each host, we have to reserve the resources like CPU, RAM, storage for 50%. But in here, we don't reserve like this way. We use whatever available. We can use 100%. So suppose like
Mm.
if I make a HA and then all this VM, you see, all the VM will redirect automatic to 42, 43, and 44. But
Mm.
if
It means that
42, yeah, suppose
it
if
means that
42, 43 is
uh,
already using 90%, then 42, 43, and 44 crash immediately because it's overload for them.
mm. or we have or if we need to HA, we have to design
Yes,
like
that we
44 have to available fee for when
uh,
the
we
some
yes,
host down, it, all of them will be moved to 44, right? But
yeah, we can make like a cluster system for all, and then we can see that it will automatically redirect to the next available resource.
mm,
So suppose if 42 is using like 60%, then it will make around more 30% to bring it to 19, 90 to 80%, and then rest another one will move to 43. Same like that way, 90 to 80 to 90%, and then it will move to 44. HA will work like this way.
We
So
have
it
to
will,
free one. If like
yes.
four, three in use, but only one host have to free
No,
for
no,
move for
this way will be more dangerous. For that, we have to make the whole four server like 50% only, you know? Like you
mm,
see 42%, but this one is 44%, and this one is 52%. Storage is not a problem, but this two should be like 50% only, or all four, nah? Like 41 should 50%, 42 is 50%, 43 50%. Then it will be we can configure that
mm,
so that it will automatically redirect the VM if any server crash.
mm,
And also one thing, suppose server crash, but storage not crash, then also we don't want to use 41 again. We can use not we can I can make it. I will show you
add
better.
yeah, you add and like you add
Yes.
the VM
Okay.
to the
Okay. Let me finish this one, and then I will show you how to do it. I will
okay
do it
sorry
one server for you. Right? Okay. So in here is clear, my everything clear, my backup. How to add VM, and then how we can create a backup, and how to run the backup is okay, my.
it's okay, but I think that everybody
Hmm.
have to try for like a add and
Then
backup.
no problem. Delete something.
Just no need
No,
for
no,
delete my just
no, no need
just
to delete.
make a new one
Make a new one and
for
add one.
yeah for understand.
Like add a particular VM. Suppose like
Mm.
41. They
But
can
we
add
can
like me, and then click,
uh,
and then click, and
mm,
then choose for learning only. Like
mm,
anything, and then change the storage, and then click next, and then run the process. So it's not
mm.
problem. If they want to test, they can test like this one. This is the test system. TLPI. Okay, so this is not a production server. We can test it anytime.
Mm.
So the next point is how we can disable any VM which we don't want to use again, or we don't need to have a backup for now. So for disable, suppose we need to disable this one. So I'll right click and just say disable.
Oh,
So once I click
visible
on
is new.
disable, it will show the icon like this.
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
Mm.
For enable, we just click
Not do
and
the back
then
not do the backup. Don't do the backup.
yeah, it will not take the backup job. Yes, even in the queue, but it will not run anymore. For enable it, we just this not click on the checkbox. It will enable the server back again for backup. Only that much on this one. It's okay, man. Can I close?
อืมคนอื่นมีคำถามไหม
Okay, close this one and come back to this. Uh,
Oh, my for the backup, we need to know about the first for the first one for backup. You use the uh 41 start
yes,
first for backup.
the
Yeah, but I'm
first
not sure
server
which one is start first.
41,
VM.
VM. Yes.
Yeah, but inside which one is start first?
That one I cannot tell you that because it's
Yeah,
automatic.
but
It's
automatic.
automatic means it will check the system which one is available immediately.
Yeah. Can you show me when
Yeah.
the first start? You config your config your config start the first backup
So
is
this one is 41. Nah. So
yeah,
when the
but
back
for what time
first time.
you you
Oh,
start
you mean history,
11.
right?
No, I mean the for 41 what time it start?
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
So for time, you have to go to the last page. So
Okay, start
daily at 11,
11 p.m.
23
or
hours, nah,
okay,
23 hours. It start every day. Uh-huh.
okay.
After this job complete, 42 will start.
Hmm. But
Okay, so
we knowไหมว่า how long TR41 is finished at
yes, you can know. So once the completed job is here, the duration is 1 hour 3 minutes.
1 hour 30 minutesอ๋อแต่ inside ก็คือ we can see history แต่
Yeah, when the job run, then it will give you the summary report. Nah.
อือ
You
ฮึ
can see from here, and also
อือ
you
ฮึ
can see another console. I will show
โอ
you
เค
that one also.
โอเค
So the first
can
job
you
is AP News, then
AP
BMS,
อ๋อ
then e-enter. One by one, it will run all the backup.
อือฮึโอเค
Okay,
one hour and another one is TR 2042 it's near
55.4.
1 hour โอ
Yes,
เค
and then
ฮะ
1 hour 18 minutes.
โอ้โห
Then 5 hour before. No, it's 5 minutes and not hour. 5 minutes,
ไป
and then it's 43 minutes. This one
the
is
backup
only
it allow 4 hours
yes. So morning around 10, around 4 to 5 a.m. in the morning, it's already complete all the route. So it's designed like this way.
4 a.m.
Yes,
allow 4 because we start 11 p.m.
yes. Okay.
Mhm.
So another one is this console for reporting only. Nah. So for reporting only, you can use Veeam 2023.thyra.th, port number 9443. Log in with the account and you can see the backup and you can see the report. So you can see all the jobs, and then when you click, it will start saying you that okay, this is the final one. When you click on success, you will see what VM they do the backup, transfer rate, and is there any error? How much time you taken? 1 hour 3 minutes. Processing rate, total backup size. Okay, so from here you can see the reports. If you feel any that have some problem there, you can see more detail. Okay. So on this page, you can do only these two things. You can see the resource, you can see the report, but the main job is on the configuration page. Configuration page, we can add the license. So when I get the new license, I install the license here. By clicking here, I add the file and it will automatically add the license, the new license. From here, you can know that, okay, we have 402 days and currently we are running 91 VMs for backup. If you want to see which 91, then you can click on the instance and you can see all the VM which we are doing the backup right now. Okay, that's all. So now one point is like you see on the EXX server when you go to the system, see there is a payout. Now the real name of this server is playout server, but this one is a new playout server, and this one is the converted one, physical to VM. I converted
Mm-hmm.
for ITB, but this one is Windows 2012. So we communicate with them that okay, this is already 2022 12, and then we have to upgrade and then have a downtime of 1 hour or 2 hour again. So
Mm-hmm.
it's better I create a new VM and then you can test it there. So they agree and then we create a new VM. So I cannot use the same name. So that's why I just change the name that layout instead of layout. So once they confirm that this VM is working fine and we are going to use this one and we not require this, then I will delete it and change the name back to playout
Mm-hmm.
server. Okay. So right now this is the production server and I need to do the backup of this VM also. So for doing this, I have to see that okay, 43. I have to do the backup. So I want to see that uh, we have a backup of layout or not. So you can see we are running the payout server every day. Hmm? But can you hear me?
Yes, yes, I hear you.
Okay. But when I come to this one, I cannot see same like you see replica underscore replica. I not see here,
Mm,
right?
yes.
But my backup is running, but I not see here. Why? Because um, when we run the VM backup for new VM, it will not show up immediately. It takes around 7 days. Or you can say that we have to make a two full backup. Then only it will automatic show in here
Mm-hmm.
on the vCenter. So you can wait for 2 weeks, like 1 week. First backup, full backup is on first day, and then we have a 7 incremental backup, and then we will have a full backup again. So when we have a second full backup, it will come to the center. But right now, I don't want to wait for 2 weeks. So what I can do is I can mount the playout server. So I see that this one is on 43 EXX server. Why? Then I go to storage, and then I go to Vim backup, Vim backup 2022, 23, which is a CNAS. And then I will see my backup list that we have a payout server or not. And we found that we have a payout server.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so now what I can do is I can click here and then use register VM. And if I use the same name, it will not register because it will say that name is already there. So what I do, I will write the same name, replica, replica, underscore replica. Okay, and then click next. And I have to mount on the same. So I just choose the same host and then finish. After this, I will go back and I can see that my replica is here. Okay. And if I want to see the backup, I have 1, 2, 3 backups.
Mm-hmm.
Understand, right?
Yeah. This
So
for manual add.
yeah, yeah. Automatic, you have to wait for 7 days. That this
Mm.
is the full backup. The number one is full backup, and then there will be a 7 incremental backup. And after 7 incremental backup, we have a full backup. So when the second backup, full backup is start, it will automatically create a VM here. For
We
automatic,
can
for
recheck.
automatic.
We can recheck if this one is back up or not back up on this
No,
page,
backup
right?
every
We
day.
have
Backup every day is not
yeah,
not a
yeah,
problem.
yeah, yeah,
For
but I
checking,
mean,
we not 1 second. For backing, we for backup is complete or not complete. We don't need to check it here. We have to check it here on Vim.
yeah, yeah, I got it, my. But if we have to recheck which VM is we already add on
We can
the
see
VM
like this
backup.
way. Yeah, yeah,
Yeah,
yeah. We
we
can
have to
see like
recheck
this way.
like this.
That okay. You can see. Uh, you can see one server. You can see this one is not backup anymore. It's not started any backup. So that means this VM is waiting for a backup job, but we don't have backup job, so it's not showing the replica. Okay.
Mhm.
So if you
Uh,
want to add, we can add, but this server is down already. No need.
but if we have a case, some VM you to add for the backup,
Hmm.
and we we like a disable, but the
Ah,
list is show replica.
okay. Like we have one server for that case. Okay. You see, this one is the VM CGW2.
Hmm.
If you see, I have to open again. So you see, oh, 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 it's on 41, 41. So let's go on 41. In here, you see, we don't have CGW for backup, right?
Uh-huh.
No CGW, but still we can see that we have a,
We used to the backup.
yeah, so replica, we still have the old backup. So we can check when we stop the backup. We just go on snapshot and we can see that 11,
Uh,
29, 23 is the last backup we have.
oh,
After that, we don't have a backup. So it's already
we
disabled backup.
center we will see the backup
Yes.
history.
So if you want to see on the center
Oh,
FTP, is the last backup is 10.3.25.
325.
Why?
Yeah,
Oh, sorry. This one is also the
it's
old
all
one.
one.
This is the
Yeah.
old one. The new one is this one. Okay.
Okay, okay.
10, 30, 20, 25. Okay. So for your question that how we if the EXX server goes down, then how we
Host go
can bring
down.
the host. Yeah,
Uh,
suppose this 41 goes down and we
yep.
don't have anything to bring back in immediately. So how we can bring the VM back again, the old one, which is on 41. So in that
Sorry,
case,
Mike. So sorry, Mike.
Yeah.
If 41 is down,
Mhm.
the VM inside is stopped immediately, right?
Yeah, correct, correct.
Oh,
All VM goes down immediately because the hardware down.
uh,
So in that case, what we can do is same like what I did for playout. What I did for playout, we can do the same process for this one for all 41 server VM. Understand, Mike?
yeah, I understand.
Okay. Because you see, on 41 we suppose like AD02. If we see that this AD02 is only using the resource of 41 for CPU and memory. That's it. The storage they are not using anymore for 41. The by default storage for 41 is CR41, the local. But we are using SAN storage for storing the VM. So when we go to 40, suppose 41 is gone, but our SAN storage is still there, right? So VM is still there. So in that case, suppose the hardware goes down, but the storage is there. So I need to know that AD02 is on which storage.
But we will see on the VM on this page, right?
Ah,
Because TR41 is gone already,
yeah.
and
Suppose
what
41
what we
gone.
yeah.
Okay. Okay. So now what I will do, I will come to 43 because 41 goes down.
Yeah,
Okay.
but you still see the 16 VM, right? Or
No,
cannot see. Oh,
cannot see
yeah.
because
But
it
how
will
to
say
know
disconnected.
and how to know 16 VM? Uh, which you have to
Uh,
add.
okay. For that, you have to have a list of server VM. Like on 41, how many VMs are running active VM? If you don't have list, then you have to guess. Guess only which one is
Oh
active, not active.
no, cannot like we have to like
Mm, no, because
external
it will
leader.
disable it. Yeah, it will disable the thing. So it will not give you any information. Suppose 82. Suppose 82 is there. So what I can do is I come to 43 and then go to some storage and see the AD01, AD02, and then see the VMX5, VMX5, and then register the VM. So when I
Mm.
click on the register VM, we will register it to 42, 43. So
And
you
start.
will see, yeah, you will see that 43, that means AD02 is on 42, 43 VM host.
But not sure if will start can start right because stop
No, it
immediately.
will start. No, it will start. Little bit need to fix. Like you see,
Uh-huh.
it says it will take some time to recalibrate, and then after that it start automatic. No problem.
Yeah, but some application may be affect if the stop immediately. Yeah.
Yeah. So suppose it not start or crash completely. Second option is backup. So we will restore from backup
Oh,
because backup will
but
not crash.
restore from
Because backup will
backup
not crash.
is is like not the
not
latest
current.
the
Yeah,
latest
not like
version, the
lose
current
around
version.
half day. Yeah, lose around half day.
Maybe 20 20 23 day hour ไหม
You can say that.
yeah, if like
Data
it's
loss is
near
there. Yeah, data loss is there.
not
100%.
all day. อืมอืม
Okay, now that's all. There is no much. Anything to know more, Mike?
but I think for the issue are not accurate now but in the
I think
future
so.
not sure because the hardware by allow
Like
the
3 year
yeah
or 4 year, we are free. Nah?
for
We don't have to worry so much. After 4 year, yes, we have to think like we add more server.
อืมอืม
Have any question, Mike? Anything you need to know more? Because this is only the information I have.
คือพี่อะเข้าใจแล้วนะแต่ว่าต้องถามคนอื่นๆอะว่าติดประเด็นหรือว่ามีคำถามอะไรหรือเปล่าอะไรเงี้ยเพราะว่ามันไม่ใช่มันไม่ใช่ HA นะต้องบอกก่อนทีพอดีพี่ต้องบอกก่อนว่าพี่ถามเรื่องแบ็กอัพเรื่องหนึ่งแล้วพอดีพอพี่มาเรื่องของตัวที่เป็น VM อะเนาะพี่เข้าใจมาตลอดว่ามันคือ HA นะแต่มันไม่ใช่มันหมายความว่าโฮสต์ดาวมันไม่ได้ move อัตโนมัติอ่ะอืมอันนี้ต้องถาม